The worst one. There's a whole bunch of black and greens. And I ain't gonna get 2 more. And that black and green refraction one on the internet. No, you can't leave. It's dead too. But it better fall off because there's a whole bunch of black ones. Whoa, that's a lot that fell off at once. Fall off. Not unless it got changed. Black and green came back. It was on the last one. I need to get another one of that too. I want one with a dark blue spine. Like a really dark blue spine because you can't even see it. But I don't know if they'll make one with dark blue spine, but I want it to be dark. I want it to be like this, the blue spine on it. Oh no! I didn't get this recorded when I was battling. No! Stop cheating. That one just runs off. That's not good. See? Look at all the blacks. These are all black ones. That one's gonna come back in. Come on, don't be scared. Oh, that was my fault. Oh, quit flipping over. That's like your hobby. You're obsessed with flipping over, so stop it. That one's disqualified. If they run dead on the battlefield, they are disqualified. And red and green. Well, that took long for it to die. Wow. Really? Oh, please stop tipping over. Look it, they're all coming back. Calculus fell off again. There's a whole bunch that still like to battle. Okay, you let him escape. When another came in. Oops. This is the one from Kmart. This one's disqualified because it ran dead. That's why it's not working. Let's see who the winner will be. Oh. Winner! Because he came back in the battle.